Thursday, December 5th already. And time is flying. This year's almost done. Ponds have been stingy, as you probably saw from my last video with Andrew. I've been out a couple times and it's been stingier. I've just been getting about one or even two bites an outing. Granted, I'm not out for hours and hours, but working hard for one bite is tough. But today just had this little feel. I wasn't going to come out this evening, but driving home, man, I was like, it has a feeling to it. Like we've had a cold snap, and we're talking super cold for Florida standards. It's warmed up today. It's about 70, 68, 70 right now. I'm very comfortable with no wind. I'm still in shorts and flip-flops, and it just had this fall feeling. I wanted to tie on a topwater, but I really wanted to get out here because I don't have much daylight to go, and it's as finicky as it's been. I just wanted to throw my rods in and get going. So I might tie on a topwater. I might take the time to tie it on, but I'm going to see if they're snapping first. And yeah, back in the day when I'd surfed a lot, it has that kind of same feeling, like, oh man, I bet you the ocean's pretty glassy, bet you the waves are just super fun. And so correlating that to fishing now, I'm going to just start on this red trap. It's a 1/2 ounce Berkeley War Pig. It's in Ghost Red, or Ghost Crawl, I think maybe they call it. I'm gonna just hit the banks and go from there. Okay, feels better if I can just keep them pegged. Oh, that's all right. It's a solid 2, maybe 3. Come here. Okay, maybe a little bigger. See if I can boat flip this guy. I'll take that. 2, 2.5. Solid. Yeah, about 2, 3, 2, 4. Fun. I'm gonna go like 2, 3, 2, 4, something like that. Two, 2-pounder. Fun little fish though. I'll take those all day. Kind of high off the bank here, so I'm just gonna lay him and go. Yep, he's gone. Take it. First throw on the drop shot. Actually doesn't feel too bad. Oh, that's why. Bowfin. Ay, ay, ay. Stupid bowfins. It's a bluegill? Not too bad. Okay. That's more like it. Oh, it took forever to get one though. As soon as I walked over here, I saw something jump in the middle. Then I saw something spook over here, and I was like, okay, there's life. Alright, I'm gonna use my pliers to get them out. I don't know if I can duplicate that bite because that's a big clump of weeds and there's not another. There's this little point right here. Oh, I got him. Oh my word, that feels good. That's a better fish. Look at the bait just getting chased by it. That's not much better, but man, it was fighting. What in the world's wrong with you, dude? It's built healthier. It's built a little chunkier, but how was you fighting so hard? It's got some shoulders on it, but man, it's still only 15 inches. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Even tried to rip some drag. And I got it pretty tight. Oh well. Alright, maybe they're starting to move up on the bank. Let me grab my rods and come around the corner. It's hard to fish this. I need to be kind of out there to fish it, but let's see. That was a terrible cast. Alright, here we go. This is a little better angle. Still can't get over how strong that little fish was. There it is. Okay. Oh, he just got off. He just got off. That felt better. Well, I don't know. I really don't know. Because the last one felt better too. Okay, that's it. Right in front of the weeds. If I can duplicate that, I got maybe 20 minutes I can kill here. Not even. Quickly re-rig and see if there's another one. That thing definitely felt the hook. Man, that'd be fun to go duplicate this around the lake. Let's see. Yeah, here's another little patch. There's a little tag right there, but it's not on. No, it's not on. Alright, when I find another clump, I'll turn the camera on. Alright, unfortunately I just broke off. I just broke off. I can't believe I've been missing this. I figured something out and then I broke off. Let's see how much leader line I have on this. A little more. Yeah, a little more. Alright. Gonna give it a shot. You know what? Oh my word, what is... Oh, that's a bowfin. Let me see if I can get this thing. Let's see if I can get it. No. Okay, so the predators are coming to the bank. That's what the problem is. That might have been a bowfin that I just broke off on because it was a clean break. All right, going off. A little fatter. Super fun. I've had 3 hits off this stretch right here, and all of them have felt the hook. Cannot be the same fish. Alright, well, definitely turned that day around. So, yeah, enjoy the sunset. enjoy the rest of your week.